Group 52. In Luke chapter 8, we read about the woman with the issue of blood. She spent all she had on doctors, no healing. And after 12 years of living with this issue, she reached out, touched Jesus, instantly healed. Maybe that problem in your life, you've had it for years. You've been praying, nothing has happened. Fasting for years. You've gone to 7 different churches. Everyone you know has prayed and fasted for you. Still living with that condition. But maybe, just maybe, God is waiting for you to reach out for him one more time, because the truth and integrity of the gospel is not just salvation through Jesus Christ, but that Jesus Christ injected into every area of your life has the potential to turn your biggest problem into your greatest testimony, has the potential to turn your worst day into your greatest miracle. Get ready to testify in 2026 Group 52. God bless you and have the best week of your life.